Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to share your location on Google Maps using your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Google Maps and tap on the icon to open it. Once the Google Maps open up on the screen, set the location that you want to share. At the bottom right, tap on the first white and blue icon to pin the exact location. Once the location is set, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, which will open a pop-up menu with several options. Select the location sharing option. Tap on share location again. Here you can select the duration for which you want to share your location, such as 1 hour or until you manually turn off location sharing. You can adjust the duration using the plus and minus icon. Once everything is set, share your location by selecting a contact or sharing it on social media profiles. And that's it. This is how you can share your location on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.